Good morning, children. Today we will take a very क्या बोलता है, a very small kind of test. It's not even test, just a practice. Don't call it as a test, okay? It's just a practice. साक्षी सब्जेक्ट की टेस्ट मिलके 720 मार्क्स का पेपर होता है. या 720 मार्क्स. चलो बच्चों, विल स्टार्ट. चिल्ड्रन, व्हाट डू यू से? Okay. See, one thing, please listen. I don't know anything about pool. First of all, for the first time, for you only I started. So I am sending the first question. देखो. And give me the answer. Okay. First time, if I do some mistakes, please don't mind, because पहले बार मैं कर रहे हैं poll. Okay. So please try to understand. Yeah. You got the first question or not? Yeah. Answer it. अच्छा, आई डोंट नो व्हाट इज दिस लेटर बोर्ड आल्सो. फर्स्ट टाइम आई एम यूजिंग, सो मुझे पता नहीं. सॉरी. ओके. सर आल्सो पब्लिश लेटर बोर्ड. आई डोंट नो व्हाट इज लेटर बोर्ड. आई डोंट नो यार. व्हाट इज लेटर बोर्ड. आई एम ट्राइंग, आई एम लर्निंग बच्चों, प्लीज. थोड़ा 2-3 बार. ओके, 2 बार में ट्राई करने के बाद आपको पता चलेगा. ओके. एंड many of you answered. and the answer is 3. Okay, option number 3, taxonomy. Okay. Okay, see, definitely I'll tell you, some students, they got confused with option 1, but option 1 is systematics is the taxonomy, or it is a kind of what you call classification based on the phylogeny. Sir, you see marked by color, red color. I don't know what is red color. Okay. Okay, chalo, let us take one more. First time I'm doing, please don't mind. Of course, I told you many times, but still, मुझे regret होता है ना. Let's take the second question. Yes. Solve the second question, बच्चों. Solve. Answers are marked. No, board में answers only not there. Completely मैंने delete किया ना. Question नहीं दिखाया. अरे यार, I gave it in poll ना. Yes. What is the answer for this? The first step of taxonomy is बच्चों, it is identification. बच्चों, it is identification. Second step is what? Nomenclature. And the third step is what? Classification. Okay, classification. Okay, first identification. Okay, now third question I am giving. Okay, बच्चों. Okay. I don't know what is ladder board, बच्चों, मुझे पता नहीं. First time I'm trying. First of all, I don't know what is ladder board also. कैसे करना है मुझे पता नहीं. So मैं सीख रहे हैं बच्चों. Please try to understand. I'm really sorry, मैं आपको trouble दे रहा है. मुझे भी पता है, but you also please understand. मुझे पता ही नहीं. I don't know what to do. Okay. Okay, I'll learn. Definitely, I'll promise. I will learn. Okay. Yes. हाँ, पीयूष सर की हेल्प लो. Yeah, I'll learn from him. So I'll learn from him. Definitely, I'll learn from him. Okay. I will understand what is the leaderboard, what is everything I'll learn. Okay. But first class, so मुझे थोड़ा छोड़ दो. Okay. Publish result option is present at the bottom. I don't know what is this question sheet. I don't know. I don't know anything. All of this. Yeah, correct. Yeah, the option is all of this. Okay, taxonomy, it includes everything. Okay, so bacha, I know I am troubling you, but see, I'm first time doing it. So this is the 10th time I'm telling you. First time. I'll definitely learn from Piyush sir, but today let it be like this. Okay. Yes, solve this. We have to write worksheet. No, we need not to write. No. This is all for your understanding. You need not to write, bachcho. Unnecessary time waste. It's all time waste. Okay. Don't do that. Don't do that. Macho, Viraj, I don't know what is leaderboard. Sir, leaderboard is not, I don't know what is leaderboard. I told you, I promised that I'll learn. Next class may I'll become perfect. Okay. So now I can't do anything because I have to learn this. Okay. So no, I don't know what is a leaderboard. So I am giving you the answer now. I never disappoint you. Definitely I'll learn it. Okay. Now, Historia Generis Plantarum was published by, and many students answered John Ray, and some answered Bentham and Hooker. No, your answer is wrong. The correct answer is John Ray. Yes. The correct answer is John Ray. Okay. Nice. Nice. Can I take the next question? Yeah. Let us take one more question. Yes, Bacho. Here is a new question. Species Plantarum and Systema Naturae. Species Plantarum and Systema Naturae was written by Carolus Linnaeus. Yes, many of you gave answer. Yes, no one gave the wrong answer. Excellent, very nice. I'm happy. Good, very nice. Everyone gave the answer. Linnaeus. Excellent, excellent. You know what? The surprising thing, hai na? Everyone answered Linnaeus only. Here, no one gave the wrong answer. For this question, no one gave the wrong answer. Everyone gave the correct answer only. I'm so happy for that. Chalo, answer is Linnaeus, bachcho. Okay. Of course, everyone answered it. I'm very happy. Sir, teach us okay. Thank you so much, beta. Yes, Bachcho, answer this. Let me see who will answer. Carolus Linnaeus is considered as father of taxonomy because Okay. For every question, they are giving almost 60 minutes time. Okay. Okay. Answer क्या है बच्चों? Carolus Linnaeus is father of taxonomy because of the one of his contribution is इधर definitely मुझे already पता है you will confuse Genera plantarum and binomial nomenclature. Correct only ना? But yes, I do accept Genera plantarum also the book published, but binomial nomenclature is the correct one because Genera plantarum it is one of the books. To be frank, than more than Genera plantarum, what I system and nature is more what I popular. So the first contribution and the best contribution which was accepted by the whole world. But we are living in 21st century. In the 21st century also we are following the same thing. That is nothing but what binomial nomenclature. Understanding it? So that's why the answer is what binomial nomenclature. Okay. Very good. Very good. I am sending you one more question, बच्चों. अरे क्या? One second ना, I am sending. Just copy paste कर रहे हैं. Okay. Just half minute. Yes. Let me see how many of you will answer this. दिख रहा है ना? बोर्ड में दिख रहा है ना बच्चों? Carvus splendens is the scientific name of Indian crow that represents dash. That represents dash. Yes. Sir, please will you forward this worksheet on the group? Yeah. After finishing my classes, I'll definitely give. Okay. I'll definitely give. I'll 100% give you. Okay. Yes. Your time is also gone. No. You need not to write better. No, unnecessarily. It's a time waste. Don't write. It's the answer is trinomial nomenclature because Carvus splendens. That means what? It is a trinomial nomenclature. So because first name is genus name, second name is species name, and the third name is subspecies name. बच्चों समझ में है ना? Yes. अभी देखते हैं this who will answer. I am giving you the next question. Okay. Yes. देखो बच्चों, who will answer? Let me see. Category that includes related families. Categories that includes families. Chal, I think time is also finished. Yes, your time is also done. The answer is what, bachcho? What is the answer? Order. Okay, sir. Kaise? Kaise? Can anyone tell? I'll explain this question because you don't okay, some students they are getting confused. Some students they told class, some students they told phylum, order, and kingdom. बच्चों, here the question क्या है? The category that includes related families. Correct only ना? Now related families in the given question में they gave related families. That means if you take the taxonomic hierarchy, you know, no taxonomic hierarchy given by Carolus Linnaeus, he gave 7 categories. What are the 7 categories? Kingdom, phylum, class, order, family, genus, and species. Now, kingdom is made up of group of family phylums, and phylum it is made up of group of classes, and classes made up of group of orders, and order is made up of group of what? Families. बच्चों समझ में ना? So given question, what is the given question बच्चों? The given question is the category that included related families. Now tell me, related families किसका किसका नीचे आया? किसका नीचे आया? ऑर्डर का नीचे आया. इसलिए so don't get confused. Some told kingdom, some told phylum, some told genus ऐसा, but answer is order. Okay बच्चों, order is the correct answer. Okay, can we go for next question बच्चों? मैं जाऊं नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन में जाऊं क्या? यस. Just 1 second बच्चों, I am just 1 second में I'll give the answer question. Okay, I'm just typing it. Okay सर, ए पेपर में कितना क्वेश्चंस बच्चों? आई ब्रॉट अप्रोक्सीमेटली 35 क्वेश्चन समथिंग लाइक दैट, बट आई थिंक वी कैन बी एबल टू सॉल्व ऑल. आज हम कितना कर सकते हैं उतना करेगा. रिमाइनिंग आई विल गिव यू एज अ होमवर्क. ओके, देखते हैं हमारे से कितना होता है, हम देखते हैं. ओके, यस. हु गेव द बायोलॉजिकल कॉन्सेप्ट ऑफ स्पीसीज? Yes, many are answering correct, but very few students are answering wrong. That is, I'll tell you later after finishing time, not now. Yes, your time, I think it is up. The biological species concept was given by Ernst Mayr, and many students they gave the wrong answer. John Ray, John sir didn't answer in chat box till the time is up. Don't answer it. Oh sorry sir. Oh I answer time हो गया इसलिए मैंने आंसर दिया. ये it's not correct. Okay, I question I gave answer after finishing the time only. Okay, Ernst Mayr. Now I did not, maybe by mistake. Now I have one more question. Can I ask? Can I ask one more question? Then who gave the morphological concept of species? Then who gave the concept of morphological species concept कौन दिया? Yes, Linnaeus. Excellent. Very nice. Very nice. Very good. Your answer is correct, बच्चों. Now देखते हैं this. Who will answer this? देखते हैं. Yes. Let me see who will answer this question. ये क्वेश्चन के लिए कौन आंसर देता है देखता है मैं. This question I don't know how why you confused, but like many gave wrong answer. Many gave wrong answer. Many gave wrong answer. Yes. Key. Key. I don't know what is key. Key matlab identifying the organism based on similarities and also dissimilarities. This concept was put forward by John Ray. This concept was put forward by John Ray. Yes, contrasting. एक similarity, एक dissimilarity. एक similarity, एक dissimilarity. And एक similarity and dissimilarity together called as you're not answering, called as yes couplet. And हर एक point को उसको हम क्या बोलते हैं? हर एक point को yes lead. Very good, very very good. So nice. ना देखता है और एक क्वेश्चन. ओके, देखता है और एक क्वेश्चन. बच्चों ज्यादा हुआ तो बोलिए. ओके. यस, देखता है हु विल आंसर दिस. देखते हैं हु विल आंसर दिस. द टर्म नियो और न्यू दोनों करेक्ट, दोनों करेक्ट, दोनों करेक्ट. नियो और न्यू दोनों आर करेक्ट ओनली. न्यू सिस्टमैटिक्स वाज गिवन बाय whom? यस, टाइम अप। आंसर क्या है? मेनी आर आंसरिंग। नेहा दिया, साक्षी दिया, आकांक्षा दिया, क्षितिजा दिया। The answer is Huxley. But I have one question. Can anyone answer? I have one question. What is neo-systematics? Neo-systematics मतलब क्या? I don't know. Can anyone answer? Neo-systematics मतलब क्या है? Neo-systematics मतलब याद है? भूल गया? Yes, very good. Sushmita, excellent. Very, very good. Simpson, beta, Simpson old systematics, beta. Don't get confused. Pranav, I think so. Pranav, he's getting confused. Pranav, old systematic Simpson. I am क्वेश्चन अच्छे से पढ़ना है ना बच्चों, है ना? Okay, very good, very good. Simpson, old systematics. Huxley, neo systematics. I am giving a next question बच्चों. Yes, देखो. Let me see who will answer for this. Yes, time up. Time up. Answer, many students gave the correct answer only. सुष्मिता, आर्या, लेडर बोर्ड में कुछ तो दिख रहा है. जय कुमार, रजिया, ध्यानेश्वरी, नीलकांत, प्रतीक, हर्षदा, आकांक्षा, श्रावणी, they all gave the correct. Species is the correct answer. Okay, the correct answer is species. Now देखता है this who will answer. Sorry. Yeah, just sir, species. Sorry, 1 second. But species do not enter. No, 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 no. Species do not interbreed. क्या बात कर रहे हैं बेटा आप? Then that means you are you are opposing whom? The biological concept of species given by Ernest Mayr, right? ऐसा है क्या? You are opposing him. No problem. See, this mistakes only show whether you are attempting it properly or not. So mistakes are like steps to correct yourself. Okay, no problem. Confusion आना है. That's why I never see the marks. Whether you know me or not, I think you are very new na. That's why you don't know about me. I never see marks. I'll see the sincere effort only. And judging a person based on marks is not correct. Okay. Now देखता है who will answer this. ये कौन आंसर देता है देखता है मैं. Sorry. Yeah, time is going to finish. Time done. Concept of phylogeny was proposed by, tell me who gave the concept of phylogeny? Phylogenetic concept was given by Ernst Haeckel. Ernst Haeckel, okay. नाइस नाइस. नाउ देखता है और एक क्वेश्चन. यस, देखता है हु विल आंसर दिस. यस, लेट मी सी हु विल आंसर. कौन देते हैं उसका आंसर? टाइम हो रही है बच्चों. आई थिंक ओनली 2-3 seconds लेफ्ट. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Done. Your time is done. The number of obligatory categories in taxonomy are 7. Okay, 7 are the taxonomy categories. Now last question for today. Doubt please ask बच्चों. Any doubt, I am here to answer. बच्चों, this test is for taking your doubts only. Jay Kumar, ask any doubt without any hesitation. Sir, who wrote Genera plantarum? 1 second. I'm typing. Just give me a half minute. half minute मैंने just quarter minute time दे जो. I'm just typing. फटाफट मैं खत्म करके मैं आंसर देता. Yes, solve it. Here is the next question. Okay, solve it बच्चों. And herbarium is a garden where medical. Yeah. Yes, many answered correct. It's a dry garden. Genera plantarum was given by Carolus Linnaeus. Carolus Linnaeus. Okay. Carolus Linnaeus. Yesterday note sent by sir. It said the book written by Bentham and Hooker is also a genera. Yes, yes, yes. You are also correct. Yeah, Jai Kumar, you are correct. Yes. See, they also used the same name, but the first book was obviously Carolus Linnaeus. Yeah, they took the same name. Yeah, Bentham and Hooker, they took the same name used by Carolus Linnaeus, but the Pehle Genera plantarum was given by Linnaeus only. Yeah, you are correct. Yeah, two books, one. Yeah, yeah, कभी कभी ऐसा होता है. Yeah, year of publication. His work, this Bentham and Hooker, बापरे, much later scientist ना, much later. Carolus Linnaeus बहुत पुराना, very what do you call the old scientist. Carolus Linnaeus. Yeah, two books, one name. Yeah, they took the same name. That doesn't mean dono given by Carolus Linnaeus only. They used the same name. That's it. Okay. Very nice, children. You participated very nicely. So I will conclude today's session. Okay. Sir, same name. Yeah, different years. I told you na. No, we'll stop here, bachcho. We'll stop here. We'll stop today. Okay. And one more small thing, bachcho. First 2-3 tests made, don't think about marks. Why I'm telling 6th June you are going to take the test. No, by seeing the marks we should not judge the student. Okay, your marks is not the index. Okay, marks is one of the parameters, but marks are not only the parameters to judge a student. Okay, ये आने वाले टेस्ट में टेक द एक्सपीरियंस. ओके, try sincerely. Okay, after 5-6 tests you only will perform, you only will be surprised. मैं इतना अच्छे से पढ़ रहे. फर्स्ट 2-3 टेस्ट में ना थोड़ा कंफ्यूजन रहता है, सो ट्राई टू अवॉइड. सो फर्स्ट 2-3 टेस्ट में डोंट सी द मार्क्स. आई रिक्वेस्ट यू टू डोंट सी द मार्क्स. या मार्क्स को ऊपर, बट नॉट ऑन फर्स्ट 2-3 टेस्ट बच्चों. फर्स्ट 2-3 टेस्ट पर यार बेसिक अंडरस्टैंडिंग एंड आदत होने के लिए. You're understanding it. Get the proper experience of it, learn it, and then हम देखता है. You're understanding it. Okay. Bye, children. We'll meet tomorrow with the second part of the biological classification. Okay. Children, bye.